Welcome to the new manufacturing plant of Amway India, situated in one of most scenic locations at the foothills of Saramalai Hills at Nilakottai near Madurai. This factory demonstrates Amway's commitment to India and sustainability. This factory is built in 54 acres area and specializes in the new manufacturing of all nutrition, beauty and toothpaste products. More than 500 people work in this new factory. Nilakottai faces water shortages and power needing careful designing. Since air conditioning has the largest power consumption, the 6 lakh square feet factory area was split into 3 buildings to enable differentiated air conditioning. Beauty needing normal AC, warehouse needing restricted AC, and the nutrition block, precise controlled AC. We also adopted energy efficient chillers and a new ice storage technology. We built one of Tamilnadu's largest rooftop solar power plant, generating about 420 kilowatts or 10% of total power. We have also gone in for a dedicated 110 kV supply line from the grid with diesel generator as power backup. We also worked on water consumption by designing a zero discharge plant. The factory has a 100% rainwater harvesting design through recharge pits and a 5,000 ton charging pond. The elaborate effluent treatment plant, sewage treatment plant and a multi-fact evaporator allows us to recycle all of the water to cooling tower and landscaping. We have selected products and processes which need less water consumption. Home and personal care products have been outsourced. Our factory production lines are in a C-shaped layout to improve efficiency. The operations are designed to minimize man and material crossing, especially in the largest warehouse. Material moves from warehouse to staging and then to process mixed tanks. This tank meets best global standards. The Northern packing machine is the most advanced machine with dual size flexibility. Online weighing and auto cartonator are key features added. For beauty products, the best-in-class Ikato German make mixer has been used, coupled with German Groninger packaging machine. We can make the highest and artistry products to the best quality standards. The nutrition plant has protein powder, tablets and soft gel lines. Powder mixers are integrated with downstream metal detector, sifter, packing machines with auto capping, weight checking, X-raying, sealing, labeling and coding. Similarly, tablets are made using Koch machines and the best packing machines integrated to quality checking systems. Overall, this factory optimizes a range of advanced design, construction and operation principles: energy optimization, water management, sustainable site management, environment control, LED lighting and renewable energy. All this qualifying this to be a LEED Gold certification. Overall, this factory thus exemplifies Amway's India progress towards a truly world-class operation.